Day one of the $100 Hustle Challenge.
We're on the road. We're going to get the first $100 buy, which is going to be a washer and dryer. I hear some money rattling around in here. Maybe I get a rebate. First $100 spent. Wipe them down, take some pictures, and all in all, it has been about 40 minutes round trip. I brought my sidekick with me today.
Hi.
Okay. I promise I won't show Mom this. Okay? She'll never see it. But if I were to say, impersonate your mom, what would you do?
I like orange coffee.
You like orange coffee. You can't even say a sentence when this camera is rolling. You can't.
I like orange coffee.
Now you're joining two different sentences that have nothing to do with anything and combining them to make even more nonsense.
Must be nice to be 8.
They're already on the back of the truck, and worst case, I can just back this thing up. And that thing, it's swaying in the wind. You know, like you think you could stop like a car until the first. All right, you can stop this now. So the first set I bought for $100, and I sold it for $325. And it took 3 days. So right now I'm on day 4. Which is unfortunate, but we had some snow, crazy ass Maryland weather, which I think hurt me being able to get rid of it the first day or so. So the guy that I bought this set from drove across country for a move, and the place that he ended up renting had a washer and dryer. He had to return the U-Haul, and he had nothing to do with these. So I picked up this set for $50. Because I picked the set up so cheap, I thought it was a pretty good margin that I could probably make for these. And they're a little bit older. They're the Kenmore 80 series, which I think everybody at one point has owned this set. Anyway, it has a little bit of yellowing just from age, and I thought $3.79 can of epoxy appliance paint probably would improve the value, and it's worth my time to invest. So now I'm just going to get to work and stop running my mouth and try to make some money. So I got about $54 into this set and about an hour and 40 minutes. So I just picked up a washer and dryer set. I had actually emailed the guy. He said it was taken. Then he emailed me back and said that the guy or whoever was supposed to pick it up obviously didn't show. Very common. It sucks. But it happens. And if I was interested, I could pick it up. So cool. First he wanted 75 bucks for the set, and then he took him out of his house and then said, give me 50 bucks for him. So it was even less work for me and cheaper. I should probably not do this at this moment. So 50 bucks. I left my house an hour and 15 minutes ago. So round trip, everything was an hour and 15 minutes. This is the set I just picked up. The one piece that is off is like this little guy here. I don't know if you can tell. Here. So it's a screw that keeps it attached. So it probably fell down in there. Hopefully I can fix that pretty easy, but overall, you know, set. I am on my way to pick up another washer and dryer set. And this is probably the farthest I've driven. It's about an hour round trip. I guess it's not horrible. Picking this set up for $95 to say 100 bucks. Crazy ass Maryland weather. It's snowing today. And in like 2 days it's supposed to be like 60 degrees or something crazy. I just sold the Amana washer for $125. I had it listed for $140, and you know, they always talk you down, but $125 for just the washer, pretty good return. I just sold the washer for $125. It was listed at $140. But I bought the washer and this dryer for $100. So I'm technically up 25 bucks. And this dryer is literally brand new. When I say brand new, like still has the manual, never been used. And I have this one listed at $275, which most likely I'm probably gonna sell it for less. But if I can even get $225 for it, then you know I'd profit $250 just off of that. This washer I bought with this this wonderful dryer for $100. I have that washer listed at $150, works fine. This dryer, when I tested it, it doesn't work. I could complain to the seller, and then if I got my money back, I'd have to haul this stuff back to their house and drop it off, and I wasn't about to do that. I figured even if I had to throw this dryer away, if I sold the washer for $150, it wouldn't be great, but I would make 50 bucks. So I tested this one, and what happened? So it heats up fine and it spins. So the belt's good, the tension bracket is good, everything. The problem I found out was a switch interlock. And I didn't really know much about what these do or what it is, but after a quick YouTube search, which is, you know, awesome, I found out that there is a little piece that when you press the button to start it, it sits here, and when you press the start button, this little button rests against the side of the wall. And what this is supposed to do, if the tensioner pops off, the little tensioner piece down moves, which then makes this button come engaged and turns the dryer off. Sometimes these little buttons here, it doesn't stay in one spot, so it tells the machine to turn off because it thinks that the belt popped off, but really it's just a little button. For 10 bucks on Amazon, you can get a new one, which the button stays up, and you can kind of hear it click. There's some tension there. Pop this in here, screw it back, and it'll work. So for 10 bucks, I know it's kind of a pain in the ass for me. So I spent 110 for this washer and dryer set now, with some more labor, which probably overall is about add another hour of labor. So I'm gonna fix this and then list that dryer and probably relist these as a set. I'm selling this dryer for $200 in just a few minutes, which is pretty cool because I picked up this dryer and I already sold the washer for $125, and I'm selling this for $200. So $325 for the set, and I picked them both up for $100. So pretty good deal. It's good timing because my garage is starting to look like a Sears showroom or something. Because I have, like, seriously, too many washers and dryers here. I have this set listed at $260 and this set listed at $280. And this guy here at $200. Just sold the dryer for $200. Put it in the
$100 hustle challenge.
envelope. Adding up. This morning I had 2 sets that I have to get rid of. Today is, I think, the 13th day. Yeah, today's the 13th day. I have 2 sets. I really thought I was going to be able to get rid of both of them today. Doesn't look like it, but the one guy did come up and pick up the one set for $280. Sorry, just making sure that was 50. So now I have that one damn set that I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get rid of it. I had an issue with the dryer. I Amazon Prime got the piece for $10, fixed the dryer. This particular set I just can't get rid of. I think I had it listed for $260 or $280 the other day, and I dropped it down to $250. I'll probably drop it down again to $240, but I already know that regardless of whatever I sell it for, with the time that I have into it and the repair that I had to make, I already know that that set is overall my loser set as far as what I'll probably still make something off of it, but not nearly as much, especially with the time that I had to take to fix it. So I'm just crossing my fingers. I'm gonna drop the price on that last set and hopefully and get rid of this damn thing.
Good night.
All right, so as you can see, there is no washers and dryers in sight. The guy picked it up this morning, so that means I am done. So this is the official conclusion of the 15-day challenge, and I am going to count my money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 6, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 60, 8, 9, 60, 80, 1,000. Get back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $1,005. Let me scoot over so I can, when I edit this, I can have everything kind of rolling right here. So $1,005 $5, and the Amazon purchase I did on credit card, so we can take out $10, and then the tolls were also on credit card, and they were the one down and back trip was $8 in tolls. I figured maybe throw a tank of gas in there. Let's just say $37 to make it even. Probably put me at $950. So I was able to take my $100 and in 15 days, deducting all my expenses, turn it into $950. That's pretty awesome. I'm very happy with that. That's kick ass, really. So $850 worth of profit on about 8 hours worth of work. That puts me somewhere around the $106 an hour. I guess to have some fun with those numbers, that would put me somewhere in the ballpark of like that would be $4,250 a week. That's damn good. I mean, hour for hour. Let's take it one step further. For what would that be an hour for a year? Would be 4,250. 4,250 times 52 would be $221,000 a year. So almost $250,000 a year. If I reduce it down to dollar, per hour, obviously, I don't think that model is necessarily sustainable, over the course of, that long to make that much money. But I sincerely appreciate you guys checking out this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm James Boyd with Sticks and Homes, and I'll see you next time.